What's up guys, welcome back to Honest Cooks. As promised, today we're making butter chicken with leftover tandoori chicken. Let's get started. Let's have a quick look at the ingredients. Garam masala is an Indian spice blend which usually has cinnamon, peppercorns, coriander seeds, cumin seeds and cardamom in it. I'm using Roma tomatoes and that is what I highly recommend you use if they're available. And once you have your tomatoes and cashews, we will put all of that in a pot, add a little bit of water and leave it to cook on a very low flame. And we will let these simmer until they're very mushy. While the tomatoes are cooking, let's make a paste with onions, ginger, garlic and the Thai chilies. I am making a paste of the ginger, garlic and chilies separately because of the size of my blender. If you have a big enough blender, add in your onions at the same time. And it looks like my tomatoes are ready, so I'm going to blend these two. Don't bother cleaning your blender, there's all kinds of good flavors in there. And now that our prep is all done, let's get cooking. I let my pot heat up a little bit and then I added a dollop of butter, which instantly started to brown, and this will give my curry a delicious earthy flavor. You can absolutely skip this step and just start with some vegetable oil instead. And once the butter has started to foam, I'm going to add in the onion, ginger, garlic and the chili paste and cook it until it turns light brown. Add a splash of water to deglaze the pan if required. Once the onions have cooked, add in the tomato paste and let it simmer. You will know it is cooked when the color has slightly changed and become deeper and darker. You can definitely strain your tomato paste if you prefer smoother curries, but I'm not doing that today. And once the tomatoes are cooked, we will add in all of the powdered spices and let it cook for another couple minutes. And now we will add in a splash of heavy cream and mix it all up. Time to add in our star ingredient, leftover tandoori chicken. With a good mix, cover and let it simmer until the chicken has come up to temperature. And then it's time to plate. Serve this delicious curry with your choice of flatbreads or basmati rice. And today's video is going to be incomplete if we do not give a big shout out to all of our viewers and subscribers. Last week, we touched 1000 subscribers. Thank you so much for supporting our channel. Please continue sharing, watching and liking our videos. We will see you next week with a brand new video. Until then, have a lovely day.